So I'll be showing you guys on how I achieve this simple, clean, everyday brows, perfect for work, school, or casual day workout. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am so excited to show you guys on how I draw my eyebrows. Yes, everyday work. And make sure you watch to the end for you to know my little secrets on how I blend and some other things. So this is the eye pencil that I'm going to use. This is the concealer. This is Elegant Concealer. Then this is my Davis eye pencil color 18, which I'll be using. Then this is my eyebrow brush. I'll be using it to brush my eyebrows. Yes, so first I will brush through my eyebrows with a scoopy to make sure all the hairs are in place. Yes, this helped me to see the natural shape of my brows. Next, I'll outline the bottom part of my brows using the eye pencil. Yes, light stroke only. Yes, don't press too hard. Don't press too hard. Then I will outline the top just to define the shape of my eyebrows. So once the shape is done, I will start filling in the spare areas with the same pencil, like to focus more on the tail and goes lighter in the front for a more natural ombre effect. You can also use brow powder if you want a perfect or soft look. So when I'm done brushing my eyebrows, the tail, the front, I'm going to use my concealer, my eyebrow concealer, which is Elegant product. I'm going to take little of it. This part change everything. Cleaning your eyebrows with concealer, I'm taking a flat brush and applying this little by little under my brows to define the arc and to make it pop. You can also clean the top part if you like. Then blend it with your finger or a small brush after you are done doing this. So guys, as you can see, this is my everyday eyebrows, clean, neat eyebrows. So guys, I'm going to use my foam blender to blend the concealer, yes, to make it neat, to blend in with my face. Though I don't have enough time, I use my face wiper to wipe out the concealer, yes, because it has dried up. The concealer I'm using is a matte concealer, so it has dried up. So without wasting much time, because of my time, I use my face wiper to clean it, to make it to look more neat. As you can see what I did, yes, this is optional. You can use a foundation to blend it, yes. So this is it. As you can see, it looks natural. You know, I like natural things. I like natural look, yes. So this is it. See how I'm looking with my brows, yes. So this is my eyebrows, guys. How do you see these brows? You guys should rate my eyebrows, yes. Though I'm not professional, a little that I learned, I'll just practice it with my face, yes. So this is my beautiful face. So guys, see you guys in my next video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.